Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost a story on Instagram. So guys, to repost someone else's Instagram story, you have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. Then after you have been tagged or mentioned, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So first of all, open your Instagram direct message. Then this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can just tap on the account. Then we can simply tap on add to your story to repost the story. Okay, then before you repost the story, you can edit the story, you can add text, or you can also add music, and you can add the sticker as well. And if you want to get the full screen, you just need to tap on the story like this. Okay, and now we can get the full screen. Then we can just click on your story to repost or to upload the story to our Instagram account. Okay, and now the story is being sent. Then we can check it. We can go to our Instagram homepage. And okay, now the story has been reposted, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.